To prevent cracking during the quenching process of steel, it is essential to follow proper procedures and consider several factors. Here is the number 2. Proper heating temperature. Heating the steel to the appropriate temperature range is crucial. Ensure that the steel reaches the recommended austenitizing temperature for the specific steel grade. Following the proper heating cycle allows for the transformation of the steel's microstructure, enhancing its hardenability and reducing the likelihood of cracking.